All right. So new this season, as some of you may have heard, the brisket is no longer on the menu, but they have a smoked sirloin. There was no line when Michelle and I got here. And they're showing the documentary, The Great America, which is cool. They open the curtain so people can see. So kind of hear it, see a little bit here and there while we're eating. You still have to check out the whole show, but let's get into this and see how it is. They hooked it up with the meat. And it looks tender, looks really good. And I have not tried these smashed potatoes, but I hear so much about them. We'll see. First bite. So tender you don't even need teeth. It's just falling apart in my mouth. Now let's get into that potato. Okay, the mac and cheese is definitely boss, but that potato, oh my goodness. I might have a new go-to meal here while we enjoy the rest of what we do of the documentary. Hey, Marcus.